Yes, it's Saturday, folks, weekend, and the sun is shining, finally. 4 degrees on the centigrade scale outside. That means it's time to do some epoxy work in the boat itself. So it will be the mounting of the forward bulkheads, both of them, and also I think we will be able to do. Are you okay down there? I'll pick you up in a wee second. Sorry I didn't fix you better to the car. Okay, here's a new tight turn coming up. We'll do that first. It could have gone better, I must admit myself. Yeah, maybe I'll just leave it right there.